In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Slack notifications from GitHub Actions. This setup is a simple way to keep your team informed whenever your workflow runs, whether that means tests passing, deployments failing, or important repository activity triggering your pipeline. The goal is to connect GitHub Actions to Slack using a secure incoming webhook, then plug that connection into your workflow file so updates are sent automatically. To begin, open your browser and go to the Slack app console at api.slack.com/apps. From there, click Create New App and choose the option to build it from scratch. Give the app a clear name that helps you recognize what it will be used for, then select the workspace where you want these notifications to appear. After that, create the app. Once the app is ready, look at the left sidebar under Features and open Incoming Webhooks. Turn on the setting to activate incoming webhooks, then scroll down and choose Add New Webhook to Workspace. Select the Slack channel where you want your GitHub action updates to be posted and approve the connection. Slack will generate a webhook URL for you at that point. Copy that URL and keep it secure because this is the key GitHub will use to send messages into Slack. Next, switch over to GitHub and open the repository where you want to enable notifications. Click the Settings tab, then in the sidebar, find Secrets and Variables and Open Actions. This is where you can safely store private values without exposing them in your code. Click New Repository Secret. For the name, enter Slack webhook URL in uppercase, then paste the webhook URL you copied from Slack into the secret field and save it. Storing it here is important because it keeps your workflow secure and prevents the webhook from being hard-coded into your repository. Now open your code editor and go to your workflow file inside the .github/workflows folder. This might be a file like main.yml or another pipeline file your project already uses. Scroll to the steps section of the job where your tests or deployment commands run and add the Slack notification action beneath those commands. Use the rtcamp action Slack notify runner, then set the environment values to point to your repository secret for the webhook. You can also define the Slack channel, the username the bot should appear as, the color of the message based on job status, a title showing whether the job succeeded or failed, a message including the actor, branch, and commit message, and an icon URL for branding. After saving and committing the workflow file, your GitHub Actions pipeline will automatically send Slack updates whenever it runs. This gives your team faster visibility and makes your CI/CD process much easier to monitor.